This is what it looks like when I log into my Southwest account. Looks pretty normal, right? Well, no. I have this upcoming trip to Hawaii and I have this button here to add a companion. When I click on it, it takes me to this page and I can add my wife's companion ticket. The cost for her flight is $0 and I just have to pay the government taxes and fees, which is $5.60 each way, so just over $11 for a round trip ticket for my wife. So for my flight, it costs $344 round trip, and for my wife, it's $11. That's $355 for both of us round trip from San Diego to Honolulu. This button is here because I have Southwest Companion Pass, which is one of the most valuable airline loyalty status you can potentially earn. Well, for the next 3 days only, you have the opportunity to earn Southwest Promotional Companion Pass for a month and a half by just flying one round trip flight. That means for a month and a half, you have the opportunity for buy one, get one Southwest tickets to anywhere Southwest flies, including Hawaii, Belize, Mexico, and all of their other destinations. So how do you earn this promotional Southwest Companion Pass? That's what I'll go over in this video. We'll go step by step and go through all the details that you need to know to earn Southwest Promotional Companion Pass and some frequently asked questions on how to maximize this promotion. My name is Max and I help people like you maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It helps out my channel and I'm trying to reach my goal of hitting 27,000 subscribers in the next couple weeks. So now let's get into the video. The promotion is called Southwest Promotional Companion Pass, and there are a few parts to this promotion and some key dates. Step number 1 is that you must register for the promotion by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, April 5th, 2023. I'll drop the registration link down in the description as well as in the comments. The key thing is that you must register for the promotion in order to be eligible for the promotion. Step number 2 after registering for the promotion is that you must book 2 one-way flights or a round-trip flight by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, April 5th. This has to be a new booking and it has to be a booking with cash. You can't use Southwest Rapid Reward points for this booking. So again, you must book 2 one-way tickets or a round-trip ticket by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, April 5th, and it must be a new booking after registering for the promotion, and it must be a cash ticket. And step number 3 is that the ticket that you book must be flown by May 24th. So that means the 2 one-way tickets or the round-trip ticket that you booked must be flown and completed by May 24th. If you complete step 1, 2, and 3, you'll earn Southwest Promotional Companion Pass from August 15th to September 30th, 2023. You can use your Southwest Companion Pass an unlimited amount of times and use it as long as there's a seat available for you and your companion anywhere that Southwest flies to. And that's it. Meet step 1, 2, and 3, and you scored yourself a super valuable promotional companion pass for a month and a half. This is not a new offer. Southwest has offered this in the past, but typically the time frame is between January and February, which is low travel season. And I think maybe for Southwest, this is probably during low travel season as well. Regardless, it's an awesome opportunity to test run the full benefits of Southwest Companion Pass for a month and a half. So let's move into frequently asked questions and how I would maximize this. So do existing bookings count? I already mentioned this, but I'll mention it again. Only new bookings after registering for the promotion will qualify you for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. Can I use points or cash for the bookings? So the flight to qualify for promotional Southwest Companion Pass must be a revenue flight, so that means it must be a cash ticket. Southwest Rapid Rewards points bookings won't qualify you for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass. Once you earn Southwest Companion Pass though, you can use points or cash to book your flight. Just to qualify for the Southwest Promotional Companion Pass, your flight must be booked using cash. Can I book my flight for the promotion and change it later? I would recommend against this because in the terms it says changes made to any itineraries after purchase of a one-way or round-trip revenue flight may eliminate qualification for this promotion. So only book flights you know you're going to fly. If you change your promotional qualifying flights after booking, it may make you ineligible for the promotional companion pass. What happens after meeting the requirements? According to Southwest, you'll receive an email saying you met the requirements within 10 days after the flight requirements are met. I feel like this has been hit or miss in the past. If you don't get an email, don't freak out. Just contact Southwest and see what they have to say, or you can wait until August 15th to see if your promotional companion pass shows up in your account. When will I get the Southwest Companion Pass in my account after meeting the qualifying flights? You'll get Southwest Companion Pass added to your account on August 15th or maybe the night before. In the last two promotions they ran like this, Companion Pass was loaded the day of or the day before. So after completing the required flights, you'll have to wait until August 15th to see the Companion Pass in your account, which takes me to the maximize section of this video. If you're 100% sure that you're going to earn Southwest Promotional Companion Pass, what you could do right now is meet all those requirements to earn that Southwest Promotional Companion Pass, but also book your August 15th to September 30th flights right now. That way you lock into the current flight prices, and then when you're awarded Southwest Companion Pass on August 15th, that's when you can add your companion to your ticket that you already booked. There is some risk to this strategy though. You have to hope that the flight that you booked doesn't end up being completely full. If the flight is completely full, you won't be able to add your companion once you have the promotional companion pass added to your account on August 15th. So that's the risk of doing this strategy. The alternative is to wait until August 15th to get your promotional Southwest Companion Pass and book your tickets then. But the problem with that is that flight prices might be more expensive during that time, especially if you're booking like 2, 3, or 4 weeks in advance. And so something to keep in mind, you have to figure out if you want to do this strategy or not. Southwest does have a very generous flight cancellation policy, so if you decide to cancel your flight, then you'll just get a flight credit that you can use for a future flight and there's no cancellation fee. So just a strategy that you can consider to maximize this promotion. Make sure you register and meet the requirements I mentioned earlier in this video. If you want to watch more videos on how to maximize Southwest, check out this playlist. If you have any questions, comment below and remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.